Hello guys, in this video we will learn about comment in PHP. So let's get started. A comment in PHP code is a line that is not executable as a part of the program. Its only purpose is to be read by someone who is looking at the code. Comment can be used to let others understand your code. What it mean by? For example, if you write some complex code without putting any comments and any other person will try to understand that code, it may difficult for him to understand. But if you put appropriate comment to that code, then any other developer can understand easily. Remind yourself of what you did. Sometime it may happen with you also. For that, putting comment in code is a good practice for doing code. Comment is a two type of comment. First one is single line and second one is multi-line. Let's look at those comment. Single line comment. Single line comment starts with two forward slash or has in PHP. Any text between writes double forward slash or has and the end of the line is ignored by the PHP. As we seen, comments are not executable by the PHP. Let's see this multi-line comment. Multi-line comment starts with forward slash asterisk and ends with asterisk forward slash. Any text between lines forward slash asterisk and asterisk forward slash will be ignored by PHP. Let's look the example for better understand. Open your code editor and here is a file which we created in previous video. Make sure your XAMPP server is running or WAMP server is running. And let me write basic code for HTML and here I am writing comment in PHP. Okay, so first I am writing h2 tag for HTML and within that I am writing PHP opening tag and ending tag. Now here I am writing all this comment whatever I needed by writing program. For example, if I write echo hello Elkick. Okay, now I want to write single line comment for this line, so I will just write double forward slash. Look at the code of that line. This is the single line comment. Okay, or else I can write has. This is the single line comment. I will write here how are you Elkick. Okay, so this is how single line comment works. For I am writing here PR, so it will be print in next line. Okay, so let's open your browser and type localhost, and within htdocs I am creating folder Elkick php, and within that I have file index.php. So I write index. No need to write whenever you write index.php file. So just hit enter and you can see here it will print hello world and how are you Elkick. You can see here the comment part will be not executed here by the PHP. Okay, so let's move on to the multi-line comment. Let me put first BR here, and for example if I write here echo hello world semicolon. Now if I want to write multi-line comment here, what I did, forward slash asterisk asterisk forward slash. Okay, within this I am writing any kind of line statement whatever you want. Okay, so I am writing here this is multi-line comment and this will print hello world on screen, and it's amazing. Okay, let's run this code again. Go to the browser and hit refresh. Look at, you will get hello world without any kind of multi-line comment. So this is how you can write single line comment, and this is how you can write multi-line comment. Here is an example which we'll just discuss. Thank you so much for watching.